Imagine living in a tastefully remodeled single-story, single-family home.
Imagine having a huge lot where you can entertain your family and friends.
Imagine having a separate living space that's perfect for a rental, Airbnb, or your in-laws.
Now imagine being close to downtown Walnut Creek, known for its restaurants and shopping.
Imagine living in a family-friendly neighborhood with excellent schools.
And now imagine making this dream your reality.
Welcome to 2978 Putnam Boulevard, a private and secluded custom home with a large gated front entrance in a well-established neighborhood. Newly remodeled with an open floor plan and modern touches throughout. The open kitchen is a chef's dream with professional-grade stainless steel appliances, a huge butcher block island with breakfast seating, and plenty of cabinets with modern hardware. This home is fully irrigated by a well and comes complete with a newer roof, Tesla solar panels, and a new HVAC system that includes air ducts and vents. Situated just a short distance to the Contra Costa Canal Trail, Poets Corner, shopping, parks, and major freeways. Walk to top-rated schools and restaurants, BART, and downtown Walnut Creek and Pleasant Hill. A convenient bonus room has also been updated with new designer flooring and paint. The quiet, relaxing backyard has been professionally landscaped with plenty of mature fruit trees and includes a new gazebo with built-in lighting and sound system, perfect for outdoor entertaining.
Thank you so much for taking the tour with us today.
Now, as you witness, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. See you soon.